going today?
Planetarium!
Do you know where else we're going today? Food trucks.
Food truck!
Food trucks. Tell me how you feel.
Excited.
So excited. Vigorous teeth brushing.
I found my shop. I
Uh-huh.
found my shop.
Oh.
Have you looked up what these planetarium shows look like?
Is it littering if you throw a Jolly Rancher out the window?
What?
Is it littering if you throw Jolly Ranchers out the window?
It's almost like charity.
Garbage?
charity.
Oh, can you get that cup in the cup holder? So it's funny in the cup holder.
What do you think y'all doing? You go.
Okay.
Sharing?
Let's get directions. Oh, I have 2 events today. What?
Jiggy with it.
Yeah, let's get jiggy with it, guys.
Yay, Strawberry Shack. I'll open it out here because it's so wet.
Wet. Alright, so we need to go to
Strawberry
one
Shack. Wanna try Strawberry
science.
Shack, Hannah?
What?
Wanna try the Strawberry
I'll
Shack?
try the strawberry shack.
Tastes like strawberry.
Oh shoot.
It probably tastes like shack.
That's gross.
It's pretty gross.
That's weird. It's really weird.
Soda Shack.
Because they put it in like rock jail and they put like bars against it.
Rock jail?
Because they couldn't bring.
We're in rock jail.
They couldn't bring the rocks to jail, so they had to bring jail to the rocks. But then the rock got too big and it would like imprint into the rock. And so there's like bar lines.
Strawberry Shack forever. Show me your hands.
Looks like Jurassic Park. Strawberry Shack.
All these weird ferns and moths.
What?
Ferns and moths. You didn't see it? I saw the ferns, but what moths?
That's okay.
Alright, so I gotta stay on this now?
Why are you recording the check fix?
Never gets easy. What is it, Pequot Museum?
Oh yeah.
I've been there.
I've been there when you were too.
Forever ago.
Oh yeah, it was forever ago.
You know, I was gonna get a slingshot from there, but they wouldn't let me bring it because they had to go on the bus, and they thought it was a weapon.
Oh my god.
Please stick in the bag with the cats. Yeah, that's all you need.
This song,
Abandoned buildings.
I always use it anyway.
this song is amazing.
I like sit here and record, and the moment I turn it off, someone says something hilarious. Then I turn it back on, and I waste video for hours and hours and hours, and then I'll turn it off.
We be in Rhode Island. How do you feel? He's disgusted.
He's disgusting.
I've seen that sign before.
That one?
Yeah.
Well, we've gone to Boston before together.
I also think that this is somewhere near. We're in Rhode Island right now.
Yes.
This is somewhere near where Jesse like has a beach house.
Oh.
Hannah, you should turn your head this way. Hi.
Hi, Jason.
Noob's driving.
I was gonna say, don't make me turn my head. It's dangerous. I'm driving. Ah!
I missed it too.
Damn it! Saw shop.
Devin's thinking about life.
Just make sure you're not going too fast if you decide to crash into something. I know. I'm trying to keep
If I had to stop the car, what I'd do is I'd just like scrape it against the guardrail to slow it down.
I would just like level it out and just like and then like try to like go in here and like hit a tree.
I feel like I wouldn't know what to do, so I just spin rapidly.
pull it all the way to the right.
Just barrel roll it.
Barrel roll, barrel roll.
myself in the ditch.
If you gotta stop the car, you gotta do it right.
I feel like she's gonna do it as a banana. She like pull over. Anyway, they're gonna be like flying.
Rainbow thing.
I was wondering that.
I've seen things like that before. I think they're like giant milk. Lots of milk.
Like water towers.
Devin, somebody screenshotted your face on my story.
So,
You know
Wait.
that Jordan girl, whatever?
really?
Yeah.
Wait, what
She
picture?
She screenshotted your face.
Which one? That one?
Going to Boston.
Okay.
Okay, now we're in the city.
Huh? Hey, Jimmy Fund.
We're in Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Red Bull and a cancer fund. Let's go.
Hello, random
Let's
people.
go. What's up with the traffic in this place? It's Boston.
I see your face. Hi, Devinina.
Davina.
Wait, are you Devin? Train?
Train! Alright, turn that off to enough time for the music. Oh, it spins that? That's kind of cool.
But yeah, you stand far away. You see it.
the outer layers of the star drift away and form what I like to call a giant rainbow space bubble, but what is actually known as a planetary nebula. And there is a really cool one in Lyra the Lyre, which is very appropriately called the Ring Nebula. You guys want to see why?
Yes.
Well, because curiously enough, it looks like a giant rainbow ring in space.
Wow.
Cool.
Like I said, rainbow space bubble. Spiral, so if we were to look at it, if you imagine the Milky Way sort of dinner plate shaped, what we're seeing from the inside is the edge of it. You guys want to see the whole face of what the whole face of it might look like?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to show you a picture of one of my favorite galaxies. It's called M51, or sometimes it's called the Whirlpool.
Oh, cool.
It does kind of look like a hurricane. And if you could go outside the Milky Way and look at it from above, this is what it would look like. It would look to see maybe a spiral that's a little more edge-on.
Yeah.
Not quite as edge-on as our Milky Way, but here is one of our nearest large neighbors, the Andromeda galaxy. And we do see the Andromeda from an angle. You can start to see that if you looked at it from a little more of an angle, it would be a thin disk from the side. The red planet. And with good reason. As we get closer and closer, you'll see that it is in fact kind of red. And you can also see its two moons there, Phobos and Deimos. They're very different from our moon. They're very tiny, about the size of Boston. And we think they're actually captured asteroids instead of things like our moon, which has always been a moon. Now, from here from space, you can see some of the more interesting things on Mars. For instance, we can see an ice cap. Mars does have ice caps at the north and south poles, just like Earth does. And in fact, we do believe there was once liquid water on the surface, although there is not now. Mars today is a very dry, very cold place. But it was once a very active place as well. You can see right here, this sort of pancake-looking thing on the surface. That is in fact a volcano. Where am I bringing us today? Baja California. Well, I made it to the right hemisphere. That's a little unusual. Usually I wind up on the opposite side of the earth from where I want to be. But as cool as it would be to go to Mexico, I did not bring my passport. So I'm going to bring us in for a landing in Boston. Please make sure that your tray tables are fully stowed and your seats are in their fully upright and locked position. We hope you've enjoyed your flight on Planetarium Spaceways. If you guys have any questions about anything I've talked about here today, please feel free to come up and visit me here at the desk. I do love
So it doesn't mean that none of them have gone over there. Some of them actually got stuck. I'm an earthbender!
Here we go.
Alright, so, officially right now. Who says yeah? Who says no? So what will happen to this balloon if I put it in that spark? I don't know. Is it hot? Let's find out. 3, 2, okay, so, yeah. This spark is hot. I want you to take your hands, put them together. Now rub as fast as you can. Faster, faster, push harder! Rub faster, push harder! Rub faster, push harder! Jason, no. So, 3, 2, 1. But maybe I'm not in luck. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, so far so good. What if I touch it? Okay. What if I go touch that spot? I'm gonna do it.